Good day, riders. You are looking at the overall map of the Florida trip. The overall legs are highlighted in different colors, with the Minneapolis to Lincoln leg coming up right now. We will be traveling at a virtual speed of roughly 300 miles per hour, where the actual speed will be hovering around the speed limit. I believe we jump right to the middle of Minnesota, or the southern part of Minnesota. We're looking at wide loads there, oversized loads. We'll gas up, top off the 4.7 tank with some premium petrol, maybe get a sip of coffee, and then head back to 35 southbound. Never know what the road brings, and just try to be as prepared as you can be. So off to the interstate we go. The style of riding that you will be seeing is one of crowding the line, staying a few feet to the right, a few feet to the left, which gives us a little better ability to change lanes, and also allows us to see ahead a little bit farther, where we're not really traveling directly behind other vehicles. So not that spacing isn't a good idea as well. Some more oversized loads, passing a tractor trailer there. Nice move. And hold on a second, we have some breaking news.
Stand by for action. We are about to launch Stingray.
There's an alert we couldn't ride without. At times those stingrays can become rather aggressive. As you can see from the foliage, it is autumn in the Midwest and the middle of October. Things are looking brown and nice cool riding conditions. So you're somewhat bundled up, and just like that rider there, looking pretty dapper and comfortable in his synthetics and sport tour bike. I don't know if that was a Honda or a Yamaha, but he looks like he's ready to take on what the road may bring. We're coming up to Des Moines. We're north of Des Moines right now, and here's a couple out on their Harleys, enjoying a ride, I'm sure. We're looking for the westbound I-80 from the southbound 35, and we are now on the I-80, just north of downtown Des Moines. Traffic may pick up a little bit here, but you'll still be crowding the line and anticipating. Nice move. What the cars ahead of you have planned. You'll want to be relaxed but attentive. Use your acceleration and nimbleness. We are now through Des Moines, somewhat. Nice move. Here's another fellow biker. Check it out. No helmet, no jacket, windshield, but looks like he's got a firm grip on things. Past the tractor trailer. We are listening to Andrew Marlin, Life Without Coffee. Hope you enjoy. You are clipping right along. I don't know when they came up with these decals right on the pavement. I don't know. It's better down there than up high, but definitely make it easier on the old peepers when you're reviewing footage. Nice move. The technical aspects of this video will be looking at the rear camera due to vibrations from the front camera. Little slowdown there on a double trailer. And through Des Moines on I-80, there's generally a lot of freight that rolls there. Nice move, by the way. So it's not unusual to see trucks and convoys of trucks. The truckers do a great job of keeping the flow going. Here is our gas stop exit at DeSoto, Iowa. Just west of Des Moines, southwest of Des Moines. We'll gas up here, but the truckers do a good job of keeping flow going and demonstrating proper considerations for other cars and trucks and motorcycles. So you want to keep an eye out for how they handle themselves on the road and do the same. Once again, we're going to top off the tank, and I assure you we did not burn all the fuel that we put in from the first stop, but we are taking it easy on this ride. There's no hurry. We'll be in Lincoln before the sun sets. That's the only objective really today. Back on to, here we have another fellow biker, and we're going to get a little greeting there from him. We'll greet him back and be on our way once we manage this slow roll. Come on, snap it up. Whew. Okay, we've switched to the rear camera at the main and the front camera in the upper right. And our leg trip map here from pit stop shows us fueling in Omaha. Wind generators pepper the Midwest. It's just a natural wind tunnel across the plains, and they've taken advantage of that by putting wind generators along the way. This is left lane loser. That was definitely a move, and I think that was completely legal too, because you made it on an entrance ramp. So we'll just move on. Some more left lane losers traveling in the left lane, not wanting to lose their place in the line, but it ends up being a frustration for everyone and really slows the flow of traffic down when they do that. This vehicle, the GMC, probably this is Missouri River, the state line between Nebraska and Iowa. We're going to get over in the right lane. Now back passing. Nice move. It's a little different trying to describe from the rear view what's going on, but I'll try to keep my peepers on the upper right, see if I can do a better job. We are in the Omaha traffic for sure, and looking forward to getting through this. Taking the Center Street exit to fuel up and regroup before our final push into Lincoln. Our virtual speed has slowed down, I believe. And it looks like we are heading to the Burger King. Pronounced, there's your ride right there. That's exactly what it looks like. Pronounced in French, Burger King. So we need to get some fuel. And once again, we did not burn all the fuel from the prior fill, but it's a lazy day, so we'll just tinker around at the gas stations. Looking for 90, 91, 92 octane with no ethanol. It's not going to kill you to run the ethanol for a short spell, but we'll try to avoid it. So back on to Center Street in Omaha and looking for the I-80 westbound to Lincoln. Shouldn't be too far along. There it is. We still have the front camera action going on, so we'll take advantage of that a little bit. Here's our last pit stop map, and we are on that route right now. Here's a fellow biker coming up on us, and we're moving over to let him by. And well, he's going elsewhere. The sun is setting a little bit. Another fellow biker in Lincoln. We are on North 84th and heading to our lodging place for the evening. We'll be rolling the bike out in the morning. Been good riding with you.